Managing diabetes can feel overwhelming, but did you know that certain foods can help control your blood sugar levels naturally? For instance, leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in carbs and packed with nutrients. Incorporating beans into your meals is another smart choice. They're high in fiber and protein, which can stabilize blood sugar. Don't overlook the power of nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. They're rich in healthy fats and can keep you feeling full longer. Berries are a delicious option too. Their antioxidants and lower glycemic index make them a perfect snack. And let's not forget about cinnamon. Adding it to your meals can enhance flavor while potentially lowering blood sugar levels. By choosing these foods, you can take control of your health and enjoy delicious meals at the same time.